Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get all medium stickmen. First, ensure you understand the game's core mechanics for collecting these characters. Next, we'll pinpoint the exact locations where medium stickmen are most frequently found. You'll also want to prepare your character with any special abilities or items that aid in collection. Finally, I'll guide you through an efficient route to gather them all quickly and easily. Finding medium stickmen requires knowing their preferred habitats. They frequently appear in the game's central zones, often near landmarks. Specifically, check the forest area, especially around the ancient oak tree. Don't forget to explore the abandoned mine shaft on level 3. It's a common spawn point. Also, keep an eye on the floating islands region, as a few can be found there. To efficiently collect all medium stickmen, preparation is key. Equip the Magnet Aura ability. It significantly expands your collection radius. Using a speed boost item will help you cover ground much faster, reducing your overall time. Always clear any surrounding enemies first to ensure a safe collection. Remember to save your game progress frequently, especially after collecting a few, to prevent any setbacks. For those hard-to-find medium stickmen, remember a few advanced tips. Some are cleverly hidden behind destructible objects, so smash everything. If you're missing a few, revisit areas after a full game cycle, as they might respawn. Always use your in-game map to track which ones you've collected. Once you believe you have them all, confirm your total collection count in the main menu to ensure full completion.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.